Look at these beautiful eagle rings from my collection. If you are an eagle lover, this ring has a scorpion on the side. This signet ring, I also have it with the cross sign that I already shared on my YouTube. You can check the cross one and let me know which one you love the most, eagle with the scorpion or the cross one. And I have more eagle rings that I'm going to wear them and you see them one by one. The eagle signet ring with the scorpion at the side of the ring. This is my best seller in my entire collection. Same shape as the cross ring, just with eagle and scorpion. This is in silver color, and we have the golden one. High quality stainless steel. You can take shower. I have in different sizes. These are unisex, both for ladies and gentlemen who wants to shine bright, classy, and very stylish ring. Highly recommend. It's available on my website. Perfect if you want to give a Christmas gift to your loved one. There is also a very special silver handcrafted ring, eagle face, and this is only one in my entire collection. The size is, let me measure it. Okay, so the actual size is 11, we can say 11 or 65 millimeter. Round your finger. Only one available in my entire collection. How do you like this eagle ring? We have also this one, the eagle with the wings, wide open. This is very strong ring, handmade silver. The size is 8, let's say 57. Round your finger. This is how it looks on your hand. Look at this. It's very powerful. I have the same design in brass. I have few pieces in my collection in brass. So this one is real sterling silver and this one is brass, and so the is more affordable. The price is lower than the real silver. Which one do you prefer, silver or brass? Comment below.